Hi students, welcome to PCTS Academy. We are going to start chemistry for class 10, which is the Federal Board Chemistry. And the first chapter of the Federal Board Chemistry is the chapter number 9, which is the chemical equilibrium. Now we are going to start from the chemical equilibrium. That what is the chemical equilibrium? The definition of the chemical equilibrium is that a state of chemical reaction in which the forward and the reverse reaction takes place at the same rate. Now what is mean by the same rate and what is mean by the forward and the reverse reactions? Forward reaction mean the arrow which is going towards the product. This is known as forward reaction. The arrow which is going from the product towards the reactant, this is known as reverse reaction. Reverse reaction. This is known as the forward reaction, in which the reactants give the product, and this is known as the reverse reaction. This arrow show the reverse reaction, which is going to form the product, which is going to form the reactants from the product. Reactants from the product. Now what is mean by the same rate? The rate at which the reactants give the products in a certain time